The last spaceship function we need is thrust. Thrust works like gravity, but in reverse. The other difference is that while gravity is always on, thrust is only on when the pilot asks for it. We'll start by creating a variable for thrust. To do that, click Variables, then click Make a Variable, enter thrust in the variable name box, and click OK. That creates the thrust variable. Now that we have a thrust variable, we need to initialize the value of thrust at the start of the game. We'll use the initialization thread we made earlier to do this. So click Variables, and drag a Set To icon to the script workspace from the Variables menu. Select Thrust from the drop-down menu, enter the number 3 in the value circle, and add the Set Thrust To icon to the end of the initialization thread. Now use what you've learned in prior lessons to create a thrust thread that turns thrust on when the spacebar is pressed. Pause the video now to try it on your own, or let it play to see how to code the thrust thread. We also need to add speed and position limiters to the thrust thread. The spaceship speed should never get above 10, and the spaceship Y position should never get above 180. So do it. Pause the video now to try it on your own, or let it play to see how to code the speed and Y position limiters. The thrust function is done. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.